Supercharge your content with Grok AI on X. Hey creators, want to supercharge your content? With Grok AI on X, your creativity meets cutting-edge tech. It's your tool to streamline tasks, generate fresh ideas, and captivate audiences. Stop struggling with writer's block. Grok brings inspiration to your fingertips. Imagine automating small tasks like scheduling posts or responding to queries. Or brainstorming the next viral trend. Grok analyzes data to deliver brilliant suggestions. Create eye-catching visuals with precision, all while collaborating effortlessly. From solo creators to teams, its intuitive design adapts to every need. Why waste time on the tedious? With Grok's natural language processing and real-time analytics, you'll transform workflows into a breeze. Focus on being bold and visionary while Grok optimizes the rest. Hit milestones faster and connect authentically with your audience. Now's the time to harness Grok AI's full potential. Dive in and explore a world where efficiency meets innovation. Tap into smarter decision-making and creative clarity on X. Your next viral masterpiece is just one Grok command away. Ready to redefine your content journey? Start now and make the most of every moment. Read the full blog post at newhorizons123.com.